When was the last time you did a piece of meat?
Oh goodness, whenever I can afford it.
Oh, nice.
And how about the bacon? Are you gonna make more bacon tonight?
Would you like some?
Fresh bacon, or you mean this?
Oh, we can make fresh. We could make it with something. With the cabbage. We'll do that.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Apparently I've been put on cabbage duty.
So all you done for me, my wife and I knew when she went down, like, I'm looking for a picture of Terry. She was helping me find one. We want the biggest one possible.
Yeah, I'm good with that though.
There's that one event that was proposed. There was one event Terry told me goes, they're having some kind of women's event down there. An old black woman in the city, and she takes care of her property. She knows how to take care of her yard, and it's cost her neighbors to take something. Last night, my boss picked up the 4 sweet potatoes and handled each in the shop. No. I said, finish off 4 dinners already.
I'm about to add the cabbage.
That's good.
Where's Terry's cup? You have a beer cup?
It'd be nice. I have to ask if we have any coriander. Do you enjoy coriander?
I do. And cumin. I like cumin.
Yeah. To me, coriander goes really well with cabbage.
I found garlic.
Oh, good.
So I'm gonna add garlic.
Was that spoon around here still?
I use that for
Oh, just
yeah. We are a house of many spoons.
Sounds like a Van Drellen program.
It is
A house of many
a house
spoons.
of many spoons. Do not ever get trapped.
My next novel,
In the
The House of Many Spoons.
Many spoons.
Honey, what's spoon? We already have enough spoons in the house.
They have never enough spoons for me. Yeah, we make our own pickled eggs. Like pickled eggs?
I'm boring, I don't know. The only thing I like pickled is pickles.
We got that down there too. We have pickled cabbage. You like pickled cabbage? They're good. All right.
No, I want to have beef.
You can have beef. Want pickled eggs?
make sure they should.
I got pickled peppers in here too.
I do like them. The,
What?
the banana peppers? Are they in with the fish?
No,
No, they're
Oh,
pickles.
Thank you.
that goes good.
Mm-hmm.
It's gorgeous today.
It really is.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I bet you can get.
Then that's the, can't use it as a warming oven now because they have it as a everything
Storehouse.
oven. Oh, there's pepperonis. I gotta get there later. This is the bread oven. So it's got a warming oven and a cistern with a firebox.
Although we would have had a great time. We would have had a great time with him, but that would have really been ironic if Tim drove 8 hours.
No.
Thank you for keeping the fires going.
Yeah,
I saw you got that one going too.
yeah.
I could tell with the chimney.
In this room once we're done.
We have. The room would get more for sure.
Sure. Because I'm sure you were here when Sean was here and the Brons were here. And
We were here with our friend Tom. And
Sherry, cream, sugar, orange juice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, and rum.